ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Vedanta परिभाषा we started Anumana Paricheda. In Anumanam, Anumiti we said is Vyapti Jnanatvena Vyapti Jnana Janya. So Anumiti, what is the Karanam for Anumiti? What is the Karanam for Anumiti?
Vyapti Jnana.
Vyapti Jnana.
Vyapti Jnana, because the Vyapti Jnana Janya. And how the Vyapti Jnanam should be? So it was said, yes, Vyapti Jnanatvena. When it is said Vyapti Jnanatvena means it should not be
Vishayatvena.
Vishayatvena, like Anuvyavasaya Jnanam or Vyapti Jnana Janya Smriti, Shabda Jnanam, Dhvansa, etc. They all are also Vyapti Jnana Janya, but not as Vyapti Jnanatvena. They are Vishayatvena, or because it is its Karanam, not necessarily as Vyapti Jnanatvena Karanam, Anya Nimitta is there. Like for any Dhvamsa, its Pratyogi is Karanam. Ghata Dhvamsa Bhava, Pratyogi will be Ghata. Ghata will be Karanam for Ghata Bhava, but it is Pratyogittvena. So then that is not how Anumiti is Vyapti Jnana Janya. Anumiti is Vyapti Jnanatvena Vyapti Jnana Janya. So we saw this. Then in Moolam we saw Anumiti Karanam cha Vyapti Jnanam. Anumiti Karanam means Anumanam, correct?
Yes, Ramji.
Anumiti Karanam Anumanam. Anumanam is Vyapti. So Anumanam is Anumiti Karanam. That is Vyapti Jnanam. Means Vyapti Jnanam will become Karanam for Anumiti. Anumitehe Karanam. And the samskara of Vyapti is Avantara Vyapara. Samskara of Vyapti is Avantara Vyapara. Now you see Tika. You have to start from Nanu, page number 83, third line. Nanu Vyapti Jnanasya. One more line I will read just before that. Tasmat Anumiti Karanatvat Vyapti Jnanam eva Anumana Shabda Vidheyam Natu Linga Tat Paramarshav iti bhavaha. Neither Linga is Anumiti Karanam nor Paramarsha is Anumiti Karanam. Now there is a Purvapaksha. Nanu Vyapti Jnanasya Karanatve Tad Vyaparo Vaktavyaha. If Vyapti Jnanam is Karana, then you have to give vyapara. What is the definition of vyapara?
द्रव्यान्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यजनकत्वम्।
द्रव्यान्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य जनकत्वम. This is the lakshana for vyapara. So what is vyapara? वक्तव्यः. Why vyaparavat asadharana karanasya karanatvat? Because the lakshana of karana is vyaparavat asadharana karanam. Karanam is asadharana karanam and it also is vyaparavan, vyaparavat. Vyaparavat is matu pratyaya. Karanatvat iti apekshayam aha in मूलम तत्संस्कारो अवांतर व्यापारः. तत्संस्कारः, तत् मीन्स
व्याप्ति ज्ञान संस्कार.
व्याप्ति ज्ञान. व्याप्ति ज्ञान संस्कार is avantar vyapara. So what should happen? First, vyapti jnanam. Vyapti jnanam will produce samskara. Samskara will produce anumiti. Vyapti jnanam, samskara, anumiti. So vyapti jnanam will produce anumiti. Anumiti, this vyapti jnanam is tajjanya. व्याप्ति जन्यत्वे सति. व्याप्ति तत् जन्य जनक. तत् मीन्स व्याप्ति. व्याप्ति जन्य अनुमिति जनक व्यापार. तज्जन्य जनकत्व. तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य जनकत्व. व्याप्ति जन्य एंड व्याप्ति जनक जन्य अनुमिति का जनक. In this way. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
According to Vedanta, how vyapti samskar, this is samskara. Vyapti jnana samskara anumiti. This should be clear. Now you see further. In Tika. Vyapti jnana samskara ityartha. Tat samskara means vyapti jnana samskara. Now Purva Paksha says, no, why don't you agree with Mimamsakas? Why every time you have to say something different from what Mimamsakas have to say? We'll say, why are you telling us? Not Mimamsaka, Nayayika. Nayayika, Vaisheshikas, they are different. It will be said in Tika. So, Nanu, Mahanasadau Dhumadi Jnanam Prathamam. In Mahanasa, Dhuma Jnanam will be first Jnanam. Pakshe Tato Dvitiyam. Paksha is Parvata. So in Paksha, Dvitiya Jnanam, Dhuma Jnanam. Second Jnanam is also Dhuma Jnanam. Prathama Jnanam is also Dhuma Jnanam. Prathama Jnanam is Dhumavan Mahanasam. This is Prathama Jnanam. Dvitiya Jnanam is Dhumavan Parvataha. Tritiya Jnanam is Tato Vyaptim Smritva Pakshe Dhumadi Paramarshatmakam Tritiya. Vyaptim Smritva. Third Jnanam is where you recollect Vyapti from Samskara. Vyaptim Smritva Pakshe Dhumadi Paramarshatmakam. In Paksha, Dhumadi Paramarsha means Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. Parvato Vanniman. I mean, Parvato Dhumavan. But what is the nature of Dhuma? Vanni Vyapya Dhuma. So vyaptim smritva pakshe dhumadi paramarashatmakam tritiyam. What is the difference between second and third? In second jnanam, I see only dhuma on parvata. Third one is, I remember vyapti. Oh, dhuma means it is always with one name. Then again I see this parvata. And now in this parvata, dhuma has a visheshana. Vanni vyapya dhuma. Tadvan parvataha. Tato vanyadi anumiti, and then vanni anumiti will take place. Iti tritiya linga paramarshatmakam jnanam anumiti karanam. Iti vadanti nayayikaha. Nayayikas, they say, this tritiyam jnanam, which is linga paramarshatmakam jnanam. So in that linga paramarsha is there. So again I will separately tell. Mahanasadav drishtante hetau sadhya vyapti, it is given here. Sadhya vyapti means it is there in I have a tika. Sadhya vyapti pratyaksha dashayam yal linga jnanam tat prathamam. In Mahanasa, which is the drishtanta. In drishtanta, first you have to see in hetu sadhya vyapti pratyaksha, where it happens, there linga jnanam means dhuma jnanam. This is pratham. Second, parvato dhumavan. In this way, when paksha dharmata jnanam, this is called paksha dharmata jnanam. Pakshe hetu is paksha dharmata. So paksha dharmata jnana dashayam yal linga jnana. First one is sadhya vyapti pratyaksha dashayam, but that is in drishtanta. Second is in paksha yal linga jnana, tad dvitiya. Third is vanni vyapya dhumavan parvata. This is paramarsha jnana dasha. So this is tritiya linga paramarsha. According to Nayayika, this is anumiti karanam. Linga paramarshatmakam jnanam anumiti karanam. Iti vadanti Nayayikaha. Ato bhavadbhihi api tathaiva kim iti na abhyupagamyate. So by you people, why this is not accepted? Tathaiva kim na abhyupagamyate bhavadbhihi vedantibhihi. Iti ashankya aha. In Mulam. Natu tritiya linga paramarsho anumitau karanam. Natu tritiya, this tritiya jnanam, which is linga paramarshatmakam, that is not karanam in anumiti. Anumitau karanam na. Stream tika na. So what is the tritiya? In tika, vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam paramarshaha. Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam. Vyapti is our classic drishtanta. Dhuma vanni vyapya. So there, vyapti vishishta, yatra yatra dhumas, tatra tatra vanni, that vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata. Paksha dharmata means pakshe hetu. Pakshe linga darshanam. So paksha is parvata. In parvata, dhuma darshanam. But it is vyapti vishishta. This is paramarsha. What is this paramarsha? According to them, this paramarsha is vyapara. According to Nayayika. That will become anumiti karanam. This will produce anumiti. So vyapti, paramarsha, anumiti. Vedanti says vyapti, samskara, anumiti. This is the bheda. Now there is a sentence. This sentence, see what it is. I will read. Be alert. प्रतियोगी असमानाधिकरण यत् समानाधिकरण अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदकावच्छिन्न यन्न भवति तेन समम तस्य समानाधिकरण्यम व्याप्तिः। प्रतियोगी असमानाधिकरण यद समानाधिकरण अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदकावच्छिन्न यन्न भवति तेन समम तस्य समानाधिकरण्यम व्याप्तिः। 1 नंबर टिप्पणी, इयम सिद्धांत लक्षण व्याप्तिः। दिस इज कॉल्ड सिद्धांत लक्षण व्याप्ति. सो अर्लियर वी सॉ पूर्व पक्षी विल हैव 5 vyaptis. Vyapti panchakam, 5 vyaptis are given. We saw in Tippani on previous page. First it said prathama vyapti lakshanam, then tritiyam vyapti lakshanam, and then tasya panchasu api lakshaneshu sattvat. Vyapti jnanatvam, there are 5 lakshanas according to Purvapaksha Vyapti. Purvapaksha means Purvapaksha to Nayyayika. Nyaya Granthas Purvapaksha. And then Nyaya Grantha gives this as their Siddhanta. Siddhanta Lakshana. So that is given here. Iyam Siddhanta Lakshana Vyaptihi. Parvato Vanniman Dhumad iti atra Lakshana Samanvaya. In this Anumana Vakya, this Vyapti Samanvaya we are going to do. Okay? According to Tippani 1. प्रतियोगी समानाधिकरण प्रतियोगी असमानाधिकरण. So in this प्रतियोगी will be what? See in Tippani. Yatha Lakshana. Actually, if you can memorize this, it is good. Those who are full-time students, they should memorize. Pratiyogi asamanadikarana yat samanadikarana atyanta bhava pratiyogita avachedaka avachinna yanna bhavati tena samam tasya samanadikaranyam. This is Vyapti. Pratiyogi is Ghata. यथा लक्षण घटको अभावो घटाभावः. So then that abhava is of ghata. Ghatasya abhava. So ghata is pratiyogi. Pratiyogi asamanadhikarana yat. Ghata will not be there in the same adhikarana where there is ghata bhava. If it is vyapya vritti, if it is avyapya vritti means vrikshe in vriksha there is abhav of monkey and there is bhava also of monkey. So मूलावच्छेदेन somebody said something.
कपि संयोग.
मूलावच्छेदेन कपि संयोग अभाव. शाखावच्छेदेन कपि संयोग. So this kapi sanyoga is avyapya vritti. Means in that vriksha, kapi sanyoga is also there, kapi sanyoga abhav is also there. To avoid that, this first part is given. Moolavachedena kapi sanyoga abhava and shakhavachedena kapi sanyoga. So there, if somebody says in the same place there is kapi sanyoga and kapi sanyoga abhava, means pratyogi and its abhava, both are coexisting. Vedanti will say, but they are in different place. Avachedaka, one is Mula, another is Vriksha or Shakha, so they are different. So Pratyogi Asamana Adhikarana. There where Ghata is, there Ghata Bhava is not. Pratyogi Asamana Adhikarana. Yat Samanadhikarana Atyanta Bhava. So, see in Tippani. लक्षण घटको अभावो घटाभाव सच प्रतियोगिनः घटस्य. घटाभाव इज प्रतियोगी इज घट. प्रतियोगिनः घटस्य असमानाधिकरण. घटस्य असमानाधिकरण घटाभाव. अथ च and then further because the lakshana says yat samanadhikarana. So there yat means you take hetu. Hetu is dhuma. Dhumo, which is the hetu. So hetu ho dhumasya. Dhumasya samanadhikaranam. So dhumasya adhikaranam is parvata. In that parvata samanadhikarana means parvata samanadhikarana atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhava is of ghata. So tadrisha means of that nature. Tadrisha abhaviya pratyogita. That pratyogita will come in ghata. हेतोः धूमस्य अधिकरणं पर्वतस् तत् समानाधिकरणश्च समानाधिकरणञ्च. So पर्वत is samanadhikaranam of hetu. Hetu and means dhuma and vanni, they both are will be in the same adhikarana. There where you have this घटा भाव तादृश अभावीया प्रतियोगिता घटे. because the lakshana says यत् समानाधिकरण अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगिता. अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी is घट. अत्यंता प्रतियोगी is घट. अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगिता will be in घट. So प्रतियोगिता will be in घट. प्रतियोगी is घट. प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदकम will be
घटत्वम.
घटत्वम. It is given there. प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदकम is घटत्वम. लक्षण says अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्नम यत् न. So अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी is घट, right? That's its avachedaka is ghatatva. Tad avacchinnam. Ghatatva avachinna will be ghata,
घट.
which is not ghata. That's why Tippanikar says pratyogi ta avachedakam ghatatva. Anavachedakam vannitva. So instead of saying pratyogita avachedaka avachinnam yat na bhavati, he says pratyogita avachedakam ghatatvam anavachedakam vannitvam. That which is not ghatatvam, different from the avachedaka avacchinnam. Avachedaka avachinna is ghata. That which is not ghata. Means that whose atyanta bhava is not there in that same adhikarana where hetu is. What he is trying to show is this. It is not that in Parvata, we are trying to say, in one desha there is Vanya bhava, and in another desha, in that same Parvata, there is Vanya. Like how Kapi Sanyoga, somewhere Kapi is there, somewhere Kapi is not there, not like that. So, Pratyogita avachedaka avachinna is ghata. Avachedaka is ghatatva. Anavachedaka will be vannitva. Vannitva avachinna will be vanni. Tena samam. So in this lakshana, you see that yat is there first. Yata, yat, pratiyogi asamanadikarana, yat. There yat, you put down dhuma or hetu. Or just write dhu, that is enough. Every time you don't have to write everything. Dhuma. Then second, pratyogita avachedaka avachinnam yat na bhavati. Yat will be vanni. Yat is vanni. So vanni is pratyogita avachedaka avachinnam na bhavati. Vanni does not become the ghatatva avachedaka. It is different from that. Vanni is vannitva avachinna. So yan na bhavati, kim na bhavati, vanni na bhavati. Tena samam. Tena vannina samam. So tena means vanni. Vannina actually. And tasya will be again dhuma. So vannina sama dhumasya samanadhikaranyam. Tasya will become dhumasya.
Dhumaha.
Tat is dhuma. Tasya is dhumasya. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
If anybody feels that I should repeat, then I will explain again. If everybody thinks, Swamiji, this is so clear, then I don't need to.
Again, Swamiji, the record.
I didn't hear what you said. Shall I? What did you say?
Yeah, I will listen again, Swamiji, to the audio.
Okay, then I will ask question and you answer. Those who think have doubts, they should try to answer. So I will know whether they were understood or not. Why ghata is taken in this Vyapti equation? All you have to say is Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. Why ghata has to come? Because they want to show there is Atyanta Bhava of that ghata. That Adhikarana Parvata where Hetu is, in that Adhikarana Atyanta Bhava of something, this Vanni is unlike it. It is not like that. Means you will never have Atyanta Bhava of Vanni in that Adhikarana. You show that. Okay? The rest of the part I think is easy. Tippanikar has already explained. Once again you see the Tippani now. Yatha. लक्षण घटको अभावो घटाभाव, लक्षण घटक अभाव. सो इन लक्षण प्रतियोगी असमानाधिकरण यत समानाधिकरण अत्यंताभाव, दैट अत्यंताभाव इज दिस लक्षण घटक अभाव. Because in Lakshana, it is one Ghataka. Atyandabhava is one Ghataka. Kasya Atyandabhava Ghatasya. Ghatabhava. Using that, we are going to come to Vani. Atyandabhava. And its Pratyogi will be Ghata. So such a Pratyogi no Ghatasya. Asamanadhikarana. Asamanadhikarana where atha cha hetuho dhumasya. Dhuma which is the hetu ho dhumasya, adhikaranam is parvata. Tat samanadhikaranancha parvata which is the or dhuma samanadhikarana. Tadrisha abhaviya pratiyogita. So that abhava pratiyogi is ghata. Tasya pratiyogita avachedakam is घटत्वम. घटे प्रतियोगिता, प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदक इज घटत्वम, प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्नम विल बी घटः. करेक्ट?
Yes, Swamiji.
Its anavachedakam is vannitvam. What will be vannitva avachinna?
Vahni.
Vanni. It's so simple. Vannitva avachinna will be vanni. Patatva avachinna will be pata. So that which is anavachedakam, patatva anavachedaka is vannitva. Tad avachinna is vanni. Tena vannina samam. So tena is vannina. Vannina samam tasya. Tasya hetoho dhumasya. Samanadhikaranam. Samanadhikaranam will be in parvata. Parvatadav. In that parvata, there is vyapti. Samanadhikaranyam vyaptihi. Further in tika, vyapyasya pakshavrittitvam pakshadharmata. Yes, what is the question?
Harium Swamiji, Tena Vaknina Samam Asya Hetoho Thomasya. Here, similar to Vakni. What's the meaning of this? Tena Vaknina Samam. What's similar to
Samam is
Vakni?
samam means samana adhikaranam. In that way, samam. Vannina samam means samana adhikaranam.
So Thuma have same locus as Vakni,
Vanni.
and Vakni have same locus as Thuma.
Correct. Further in tika, vyapyasya pakshavrittitvam pakshadharmata. Vyapya means dhuma. In dhuma vanni, dhuma is vyapya, vanni is vyapaka. Vyapyasya dhumasya pakshavrittitvam. Pakshe vrittihi. Pakshavritti means pakshe vritti. Pakshe parvate vrittitvam. Vrittitvam means वहां रहना. अधिकरणत्वम. पर्वत will become अधिकरण. पक्षस्य अधिकरणत्वम. पक्षे वृत्तित्वम धूमस्य. पक्ष will have अधिकरणत्वम. पक्षे वृत्तित्वम हेतोः धूमस्य और लिंगस्य. व्याप्यस्य पक्षवृत्तित्वम पक्षधर्मता. So Pakshadharmata will come where?
Sathya.
No, Vyapyasya Pakshadharmatva. Pakshadharmata. Vyapya is Dhuma. Dhumasya Pakshadharma. Dhuma will have Pakshadharmata. Dhuma, if I see in Paksha, then I can do Anumana. तथा च वन्नी व्याप्य धूमवान अयम इत्यादि ज्ञानम उक्त लक्षण परामर्शात्मकम तत्तु न अनुमितिकरणम इत्यर्थः. This is how Naiyayikas think. Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah. This kind of jnanam they will have. Ityadi jnanam ukta lakshana paramarshatmakam. So this Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvata will be paramarshatmaka jnanam for this vyapti lakshana. Ukta lakshana means this vyapti lakshana paramarshatmakam. Tattu na anumiti karanam. But that is not anumiti karanam according to Vedanti. Why we don't agree what Naiyayikas they say? Why Vedanti says Vyapti Sanskara Anumiti? Why not Vyapti Paramarsha Anumiti? Tatra hetumaha. Tasya inmulam tasya anumiti hetutva asidhya tat karnatvasya dura nirastatvat. It is not even anumiti hetu. You see how Naiyayika and Vedantin, they think so differently. Naiyayika thinks this is karana for anumiti, linga paramarsha. And Vedanti says it is not even hetu, means it is not even sadharana karanam, forget asadharana karanam. Tasya anumiti hetutva asidhya tat karanatvasya dura nirastatva. If it is not karana, how can it be karana? From far it is rejected. सीटिका पक्षधर्मता ज्ञान द्वारा उद्बुद्धे संस्कारे व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम अनुमिति जनकत्व अभ्युपगमस्य आवश्यकतया तद्रहितस्य परामर्शस्य तद्हेतुत्वा सिद्ध्या तत्करणत्वस्य दूर निरस्तत्वम् इत्यर्थः. पक्षधर्मता ज्ञान द्वारा, because Purvapakshi says Pakshadharmata Jnanam will come, that Jnana Dwara Udbuddha Samskara. Udbuddhe Sanskare Vyapti Jnanasya Anvay Vyatirekabhyam. From that Samskara Vyapti Jnanam, so Samskare Sati Vyapti Jnana Sattva. Vyapti Jnanasya Anvay Vyatirekabhyam Anumiti Janakatva Abhyupagamasya. व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य संस्कारे व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम. So if vyapti jnanam is there, samskara will be there. In tippani number 2, samskare udbuddhe sati vyapti jnana sattve anumiti tadabhave anumiti abhava. Samskare udbuddhe sati, when sanskar udbodhana takes place. If vyapti jnanam was there, vyapti jnana sattve anumiti sattvam. Vyapti jnana abhave anumiti abhava. This is the anvaya vyatireka. Iti anvaya vyatirekabhyam vyapti jnanasya avashyakataya. Vyapti jnanam is avashyakam. Vyapti jnanasya avashyakataya तद रहितस्य अन्वय व्यति तद रहितस्य मीन्स अन्वय व्यतिरेक रहितस्य. In मूलम तद रहितस्य is there, right? Not मूलम, in टीका. तद रहितस्य means अन्वय व्यतिरेक रहितस्य. परामर्शस्य अनुमिति हेतुत्व असिद्ध्या. परामर्श is not अनुमिति हेतु, अनुमिति हेतुत्व असिद्ध्या. Siddhanti says paramarsh is not anumiti hetu. Why? Because sanskare udbuddhe sati vyapti jnana satve anumiti sattva. Vyapti jnana bhave anumiti abhava. So in this way, vyapti jnanam is avashyaka and samskara is avashyaka. In paramarsha, there is no anumit, anvay vyatireka. Tad rahitasya means अन्वय व्यतिरेक रहितस्य परामर्शस्य. In paramarsha, अन्वय व्यतिरेक is not working. That's why परामर्श तद रहितस्य परामर्शस्य तद हेतुत्व असिद्ध्या. तद हेतुत्व means अनुमिति हेतुत्व. Paramarsha does not have anumiti hetutvam. If it is not having anumiti hetutvam, can it become anumiti karana? So it is said no. Tat karanattvasya dura nirastatvat. Why dura nirastatvat? So further in Tippani it is given. Karaka visheshaha is karanam. Karaka visheshaha karanam. Karaka samanyatva rupa hetutva asidhya. Tad vishesha rupa karanattvasya atyantam asambhavitatvat. Ityartha. Karana, in simple words, if you see, what very simple drashtanta. What is karana? What is in tritiya vibhakti we say is karana, and what is in tritiya vibhakti is one of the karaka. So karana is karaka vishesha. One of the karaka is karana. Karaka vishesha hai karana. If you say it is not karaka only, karaka samanyatva rupa hetutva asidhya, then how karana lakshana will go there? Tad vishesha rupa karanatvasya atyantam asambhavitatvat. Like if somebody says that if you have studied Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi and Tarka Sangraha and Prasthanatraya with Bhashya and Tika, then you can become Acharya. So this person says he has not studied Brahma Sutra, he has not studied Brahadaranyaka, and he has not studied Vyakarana. How you can be called Acharya? You cannot be Acharya then. So out of the Lakshanas, certain things are not qualified there. And if that person says, I have not taken sannyasa only, so then even basic qualification is not there. Karaka Vishesha is Karanam. Karaka Samanya itself, if it is not applied, how you will apply Vishesha there? Tad Vishesha Rupa Karanatvasya Atyanta Asambhavitatvat. So that's why Dura Nirastatvam Ityartha. This is Upalakshanam. Upalakshanam idam. Anumitikaranam lingam. Tad paramarsho avantar vyapara. Iti vaisheshika manyate. Why this is Dura Nirastam? Because this is only Upalakshanatva we have taken. According to Vaisheshika, Anumitikaranam is lingam. Tat paramarsha is avantar vyapara. So they use this as avantar vyapara. Iti. वैशेषिकाः मन्यन्ते. This is how वैशेषिकाः think. तन्न साधु. This is not correct. विनष्टस्य अनागतस्य च लिंगस्य तदानीम अभावेन. Why Siddhanti doesn't accept what Nayayika and Vaisheshika accept as Anumiti Karanam? Because that linga which is vinashta, dhuma which is gone, or anagata, that dhuma which has not come, vinashtasya anagatasya cha lingasya, tadanim abhavena, at that time it is not vartamanam. Tadanim abhavena tato anumiti anapattehe iti api drashtavya. So at that time, anumiti will not happen. Anumiti anapattehe iti drashtavyam. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.